The Budget Department recently announced an allocation of 1 billion pesos to Project NOAA of the UP Resilience Institute. How will the said program utilize the funds to help minimize the impact of calamities? Ched Gatchalian is on the line for this. Ched, go ahead.
My Project NOAA is set to put its 1 billion peso allocation to work using AI technology and science to help communities better prepare for floods and other disasters. In a press briefing this morning, Project NOAA Executive Director Alfredo Maharlagmay said much of the funding will go to drones, high-tech equipment, and partnerships with state universities and colleges. The agency plans to map major river basins in high resolution, survey hidden waterways, and use LiDAR drones to study areas prone to flooding. The funding will also support flood simulations, sediment assessments, native tree mapping, and nature-based solutions, including the use of AI or artificial intelligence for disaster preparedness. Lagmay says Project NOAA will provide LGUs and national agencies with science-based data to help them make better decisions and ultimately reduce the damage caused by natural hazards. He acknowledged that in the past, decision-making often lacked the kind of science-based assessments that today's technology can provide.
Ganon ang nangyayari. How many decades have we been doing this? From the 70s, even before that, 60s, 70s, decades. But with all of these technologies that are now available, we can get a better understanding so that we know the exact and most effective solutions.
What creates disaster, tragedy, is our lack of preparation. Hindi talaga mapigilan ng lindol. Hindi mapigil because tectonic movements, volcanoes, climate change. No? Ang purpose natin dito is to prepare to build a resilient society para ma-menos-menos ang damage to number one life.
Project NOAA also clarified that it will be not the sole agency implementing disaster preparedness measures, but will instead support partner LGUs with science-based recommendations. The success of the 1 billion peso allocation, Lagmay says, will ultimately be measured by how effectively its data and recommendations help reduce flooding, disaster risk, and losses. Back to you, Mai.
Thank you, Ched Gatchalian, reporting.